Here we are at Shrine Pratt. Shrine Pratt. Here we are at Shrine. Oh, god dang, that's a big mosquito. Look at the size of that thing. Since we've been moved to Colorado, we're trying to balance work and play and get out and experience something every day.
We should have brought bug spray.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are huge here, even compared to Texas. We just sort of did an overpass with the drone. Don't walk in the mud, Vanilla, no. Ooh, this is cool. Look at this. Ooh, look at that white rock. That's crazy. What is that, like quartz or something? I don't know. So we just did a pass with the drone to see if we could find any wildflowers because they're supposed to be all blooming right now. And we didn't see any. A nice group of people just came down and told us that there's a ton up there. So we're gonna keep going and see what we can see.
I'm on a mission to find some wildflowers.
My baby wants wildflowers. Oh, this is a beautiful day. I mean, this is a big part of why we moved up here. It's so hot in Houston right now.
There's no way.
I would not be hiking. The humidity levels and the heat, it's just...
Couldn't find anything this pretty.
Not in August. Well, the heat, I mean, in August you could maybe find some pretty things, but not like this. One of the things we're noticing is we're so out of shape. I'm gonna blame it on all the food in Houston because we're getting like groups of like old ladies walking by, chatting it up, not breathing heavy.
Talking about Jill's gonna move up here for the nature, and I'm talking old ladies, and I can barely finish my sentence.
They're also walking downhill too. We were walking uphill, and we're gonna make it to the top. We're just going slow. 2 miles at about a 1 hour pace. Yeah, Casey Neistat, eat your heart out. Be interesting to see where we're at a few months from now compared to today. We made it to the top. God, this is so cool. Look at this. Doesn't even look like a mountain anymore. It's just like a little hill behind us. Wow. Where you going, babe? Oh, I was gonna take that one. Okay, we'll go this way. Gina didn't want to go any further. She's gonna drink all the water and leave me with no water. She's gonna go back and sit in the car and make me hike all the way back down by myself. Isn't that what you said?
No, there's just no negotiating with you.
What are you talking about? We're this close. We're almost there. But
and
we did.
I already had my heart. You know when you have your heart set on something after, you know.
But to
not
come
being
back.
able to breathe.
So to come back and do it
And I
all
was
over
like,
again.
Oh, I'm done.
So,
and then that wave of, you know, energy that you have to get to a certain point is now done. That's why people die on Everest. I'm gonna die because you wouldn't let me stop.
This is not Everest. We're only at 12,000 feet.
You're the asshole of the day for making me do this. I'm gonna drink all the water.
Okay. All right. Well, in my opinion and my thoughts, We were this close to the top.
We were at the top.
No, that's
he wants to go to another point because there's a cool rock over there.
And we're almost there. We're like seriously almost there.
Yeah.
You're not gonna share the water now, huh? That's not very cool.
You're not cool either.
Is it really? Oh gosh. That's where we're going. Just right up there. I really think we need to figure out a way to pack with more water. We definitely didn't bring enough water for this. At least going down won't be as hard, or it shouldn't be. All right, this is it. We are getting up here to the high point. We're gonna loop around and start heading back. Golly, this is amazing. This is what we moved here for. Look at this. Just look at all this. Aren't you happy I made you walk the rest of the way?
I had a granola bar, so I feel better now.
Look at that. Man, I don't think I would have felt so comfortable with my drone up here if I hadn't have done that other video and gone and tested it over at Loveland Pass, because we're just under 12,000 feet again. I took the drone up probably to 12,000 feet. Thin air didn't seem to really affect it.
Going down now.
Yeah, much easier going down. And those rocks were really cool. I'm so glad we made it that last little bit. I know you were like having a little whew, but
I was having a what?
Whew, like that.
What does that mean?
It means you were like angry or hungry, maybe. But
you were being a bully.
I was being a bully. Aren't you glad you went though? Aren't you? We were just too close not to make it the whole way, and we did. And this is what we moved here for. So we're a little out of shape. There's some snow. Come on, Vanilla, let's go see the snow. Whoa! Let's go. Let's go, come on. Turn somewhere. All right, that's enough snow. That's enough. Was that fun? Was that fun playing in the snow?
Another 3/4 of a fucking mile up.
It was awesome. It was worth it. What are you letting me know?
That it was another 3/4 of a mile. It was not, oh, just right up that way for 5 minutes.
It was 5 minutes. And it was well worth it.
3/4 of a mile.
It was well worth it.
Straight up. It was pretty though.
It was pretty. And now we can actually talk while we're hiking down. This is so much easier. Awesome way to spend a Sunday. Thumbs up for sure. I'm glad Vanilla liked it, but I really, really, really wish Yoshi could have got to do some of this stuff with us. I think that would have been awesome. He would have loved this. But we'll have to come back and when we get his ashes, bring his ashes back over here. This would be a good one. We're coming to the close of our hike. What was the name of this trail again? Do you remember?
Mosquito Trail.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Whew. They're way over there behind us. You can see Copper Mountain. And way over there behind me, you can see Gina. And way over here, you can see my hand because we're done.